Did you know that olive oil is often called liquid gold because of its incredible health benefits? From supporting heart health to enhancing skin, olive oil can be a powerful addition to your diet, if you're using the right kind. In today's video, we'll break down the benefits of olive oil, potential downsides, and tips for choosing the best olive oil. Plus, I'll share a few simple ways to add it to your meals. Let's start with the health benefits of olive oil. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid, which is known to support heart health. Studies have shown that using olive oil regularly can help lower bad cholesterol, LDL, and even reduce the risk of heart disease. Olive oil is also loaded with powerful antioxidants, especially in extra virgin varieties. These antioxidants, such as vitamin E and polyphenol, help fight inflammation and protect cells from damage. This makes olive oil beneficial not only for heart health but also for reducing the risk of certain chronic diseases. And here's an added bonus. Olive oil has anti-inflammatory properties that can support joint health, and it's great for your skin too. Many people use olive oil topically to keep their skin hydrated and soft. While olive oil has many benefits, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, olive oil is calorie-dense. Just 1 tablespoon has about 120 calories. If you're watching your calorie intake, it's important not to overdo it. Another thing to consider is cooking with olive oil. While extra virgin olive oil is great for dressings and low-heat cooking, it has a relatively low smoke point, which means it can start to break down at high temperatures. When olive oil is overheated, it may lose some of its beneficial properties and produce harmful compounds. For high-heat cooking, like frying, consider using other oils with higher smoke points. Lastly, beware of fake or low-quality olive oils. Many products labeled as extra virgin are actually mixed with other oils or lower-grade olive oil, which may reduce their health benefits. We'll cover how to choose the right olive oil in just a moment. So, how can you get the best out of olive oil? Here are a few simple tips. First, always look for extra virgin on the label. This means the oil is minimally processed and retains more antioxidants and nutrients. Second, check for dark glass bottles. Light and heat can degrade olive oil, so a dark bottle helps keep it fresh longer. Lastly, store your olive oil in a cool, dark place, away from heat and sunlight to maintain its quality. And for cooking, use extra virgin olive oil in dressings, dips, or low-heat recipes to keep its nutrients intact. For higher heat, go for regular olive oil or another high smoke point oil. In summary, olive oil can be a wonderful addition to a healthy diet, offering heart-boosting fats, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory properties. Just remember to choose quality extra virgin olive oil and use it wisely in your cooking. How do you like to use olive oil? Let me know in the comments below. And now, as promised, here's a quick and easy recipe. Try a simple olive oil and herb dressing. Just mix extra virgin olive oil with fresh herbs, lemon juice, a pinch of salt, and pepper, perfect for salads or as a bread dip. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell for more food breakdowns and healthy eating tips. See you next time.